Unlock the power of JPMorgan Chase's trading platform and navigate the markets with confidence. First things first, you'll need to access your JPMorgan Chase online trading account. Head to the official JPMorgan Chase website and locate the login or sign in option. Enter your credentials securely. Once logged in, you'll be presented with your trading dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll typically find sections for account overview, market news, research tools, and, of course, the trading interface itself. Now, let's talk about placing trades. To initiate a trade, navigate to the trade or order entry section. You'll be presented with options like market orders for immediate execution at the best available price, and limit orders to buy or sell at a specific price or better. Crucially, for risk management, explore stop loss orders. These automatically sell an asset when it reaches a predetermined price, helping to limit potential losses. To make informed decisions, JPMorgan Chase offers robust market analysis tools. Explore their advanced charting capabilities, which allow you to apply various technical indicators like moving averages, MACD, and RSI to identify trends and potential trading opportunities. Utilize the integrated news feeds and research reports to stay updated on market-moving events and company-specific news. This information is vital for understanding the factors that can influence asset prices. Finally, remember that successful trading involves disciplined risk management. Never invest more than you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your portfolio. By mastering these tools and strategies on JPMorgan Chase's platform, you can position yourself for more informed and potentially profitable trading.